Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes. I bought these as soon as I heard that they were coming out because I was so excited about them. This one, which is kind of falling apart because I was using it earlier, is the double 110s. And then I also got the double Demi Wispies, which I haven't even taken out of the box yet. I will tell you that when I got these and I took them out of the box and I tried to use them, I spent 30 minutes and I could not get them on. I did everything I could think of to get them to work, and they just would not go on perfectly enough that I would feel comfortable wearing them out of the house. But yesterday I got them back out and thought I was going to give it another go, and I got them on and they looked beautiful. So I thought I would just go ahead and do a little demo of these and show you how I finally figured out how to put them on effectively. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get these is just bend them. I bend them like this, and this will help them to conform to your eye so that they'll line up against your eyelash and they're easier to put on. And I'll tell you what, I think that 30 minutes that I spent trying to put these on, I spent a lot of that time trying to bend the lashes just to make them just more flexible. They went on fairly easily that second time, and I really think it's because of that time spent working them in. So go ahead and do this until you feel like you've gotten them nice and flexible. I would recommend plastic tweezers. These are metal and they will magnetize to the little magnets, and there are 4 magnets on this. I put one on my nose. You all are just gonna be laughing and I just don't even care. I put it on my nose because if I put it down on the table, once I get this eyelash all nice and lined up on my eye, and then I go try to grab it off the table, when I look down, it causes the eyelash to move and shift, and then I will never get it on. All right, so can you see that? I've got it nice and flush against my lash line, and I'm just kind of pressing on it to make sure that it's nice and conform to my lash line. And then I'm going to take the bottom one. I'm not going to grab it with my metal tweezers near the lash band because it will connect to that magnet. Instead, I'm just going to grab it by the outside lash like that. And then I'm going to take it underneath my eye, and it should just snap together, and it did. It's not perfectly aligned, but it's pretty darn close. What do you think? Is it pretty? I think it's beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna do the next one. So again, just take it and bend, bend, bend. Make that lash line flexible. This one's a little trickier. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the one on my nose. Oh, it didn't work. Look at that. You see that? It's just hanging off right there. All right, let's try that again. Okay, I'm putting it on my nose. Laugh away, I don't care, it works for me. And I'm gonna put the top one on my top lash line. Oh, it's magnetizing to my tweezers. I'm pressing it down against my lash line. Okay, here goes. Grabbing it with my tweezers. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. Are my lashes huge? I love it. I'm not very good at applying lashes, so I love these magnetic ones because I don't have to worry about glue, which I'm just not very adept at putting glued ones on yet. I will learn eventually, but it's gonna take some time. Let me flutter my lashes for you. They do stick up a little bit on the inner corner, which is kind of annoying. I really think the more I work with them and the more flexible I make them, just by wearing them more often and just by working out that band line, I think that they'll start to fit even better. And these are, you're supposed to be able to wear these at least 20 times, I think, which is awesome. They are $12.99 at Sally's Beauty, which is where I bought them. I have not worn them outside yet, but I've heard wonderful things that even on windy days that they won't go flying off your eye like glued-on ones can sometimes, and that they don't fall off during the day. You don't have that band come up on the inner corner during the day. So that is my next experiment, is I will try wearing these outside and wearing them for a full day and see what I think. I can definitely feel them on my eyes, but I am new to wearing false lashes, and so I think I would feel any lash on my eye because it is a new experience to me. But I think they're beautiful and I can't wait to wear them out. In fact, I have a wedding next week that I'm going to wear them to, so I'm really excited. All right, well, I hope that helped some. If you enjoyed this, thumbs up it, and I appreciate your time, and I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.